Japanese farmers and breeders have worked diligently to domesticate a plant that many gardeners know only in its wild form as a weedy menace. In Japan, burdock has traditionally been an important source for food and medicine. Called poor man's potatoes, it's eaten as a vegetable called gobo. It was brought to Japan from China 1,000 or so years ago as a medicinal plant, but it didn't become popular in the Japanese diet until the Edo period, a time of great social and cultural expansion in Japan from the early 17th century to the mid-1900s. Burdock is now considered a delicacy. Takinogawa matures late in the season, and it's known for its gourmet flavor and impressive length. Grown in traditional Japanese burdock boxes, it can reach 3 feet long. With a thin outer skin and crisp flesh, it cooks beautifully, and it's a must for many Japanese dishes. It's an excellent winter root crop. The hardy first-year plants can be dug late in the fall and even into winter for cooking, so you can keep them in the ground until harvest. Takinogawa Burdock was bred and improved by Suzuki Gengo at Takinogawa Village, Tokyo, in the Genroku era of the Edo period. It's thought that more than 90% of burdock varieties have descended from Takinogawa. These long burdock roots are an autumn treat at the Baker Creek farm. Our staff savors their earthy goodness and umami flavor. We grow them in simple, deep wooden boxes and harvest the roots 100 days or so after planting. Plant them in deep, soft soil and keep them warm and moist to be sure of abundant yields.